Welcome to Angelo Home Tours. Today, we're exploring Eldorado Valley. Boasting a prime location in southwest Las Vegas, this attractive neighborhood is a must-see for buyers seeking a luxury new home in Clark County. This community showcases an impressive selection of ranch-style floor plans from the esteemed Aspire collection, each offering a half-acre homesite and an array of upscale features. Residents of Eldorado Valley will appreciate close proximity to I-15 and I-215, as well as easy access to the exciting shopping, dining, recreation, and entertainment options of Las Vegas. Community highlights: half-acre homesites, no SID fee, personalization available. Here's a quick look at the route from the Bellagio Fountains to the Eldorado Valley community, so you can see just how easy it is to get here from the heart of Las Vegas. Choose your dream floor plan. Roco floor plan, starting at $1,084,950 plus. 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, 3-car garage, 3,470 square feet, single-story home. The attractive Roco plan opens with an elegant courtyard and covered entry. Inside, the spacious layout is anchored by an impressive great room with a contemporary fireplace and a professional kitchen offering a large island and walk-in pantry. A formal dining room is nearby and may be built with a wet bar or an attached wine room. The home also showcases 4 generous bedrooms, including a lavish primary bedroom boasting 2 walk-in closets and a private bathroom with dual vanities and either a walk-in shower or a shower with a separate tub. A central laundry, a beautiful study, and an extended covered patio with multi-slide doors complete this plan. These are the available exterior designs for the home, along with the standard floor plan. Rowan floor plan, starting at $1,164,950 plus. 4 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, 3-car garage, 3,710 square feet, single-story home. Step into the Rowan, thoughtfully designed with 4 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, and a spacious single-story layout ideal for modern living. The great room flows seamlessly into the kitchen and out to the covered patio, perfect for dining al fresco or enjoying your morning coffee. A drop zone near the garage entry keeps daily essentials like jackets and bags organized, helping maintain a clutter-free home. The primary bedroom serves as a private retreat, while the additional bedrooms offer flexibility for guests, family members, or hobbies. These are the available exterior designs for the home. Robert floor plan, starting at $1,184,950 plus. 4 to 5 bedrooms, 3.5 to 4.5 bathrooms, 3-car garage for 1,010 square feet, single-story home. An impressive courtyard welcomes guests into the eye-catching Robert plan. Off the entry, you'll find a quiet study and a formal dining room that connects to a professional kitchen through a spacious butler's pantry. The kitchen features a large island and walk-in pantry and overlooks a generous great room and nook. This home also includes 3 secondary bedrooms and a luxurious primary bedroom with dual walk-in closets, a sitting area, and a private bathroom with double sinks, and either a walk-in shower or a shower with a separate tub. A convenient laundry room, powder room, and tranquil covered patio with multi-slide doors complete the home. The Robert plan may be built with either a game room or a guest bedroom, and select home sites may offer a second primary bedroom in place of 2 secondary bedrooms. These are the available exterior designs for the home, along with the standard floor plan. These are the available quick move-in homes here in Eldorado Valley. Want to see where your future home could be? Check out the community site plan to explore all available home sites. Ready to make Eldorado Valley your new home? Contact Angelo at 725-287-5242 and let's find your dream home together. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, tap the notification bell, and like this video to stay updated on new communities and exclusive offers. Remember, your dream home is only a call away.